The Ocedar EasyWing Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System offers an innovative solution for efficient and effortless cleaning. There are many products available to choose Spin Mop, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Spin Mop from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bissell Lightweight Spinwave Expert Hard Floor Spin Mop. Bissell Lightweight Spinwave Expert Hard Floor Spin Mop is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to make maintaining your floors effortless. This mop features rotating mop pads that tackle tough, sticky messes, restoring your floor's natural shine without requiring strenuous scrubbing. Safe for use on sealed hard floors such as wood, tile, linoleum, and laminate, the Spinwave offers on-demand spray control to apply just the right amount of cleaning solution. Its lightweight design, low profile, and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around baseboards and under furniture. Included with the mop are 4 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, a trial-size hard floor sanitize formula, and 2 trial-size wood floor formulas. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pat Foundation, aiding in the mission to save home. Number 2. True and Tidy True Clean Mop. True and Tidy True Clean Mop and Bucket System is a top-notch cleaning solution designed for efficiency and convenience. This system includes a square spin mop, dual-compartment mop bucket, and 2 thick machine-washable mop pads. The dual-compartment design ensures you only use clean water on your floors by separating clean and dirty water. The mop head swivels 360 degrees, allowing you to reach those hard-to-reach places easily. It features a built-in brush to clean and scrub the mop pads with each spin, ensuring a mess-free experience. The convenient water inlet allows you to refill the bucket without opening the water compartment. The mop has an adjustable stainless steel handle and thick microfiber mop pads for quality cleaning. This gray-colored mop system weighs 3.46 pounds and has dimensions of 11.8 x 11.8 x 7.28 inches. With a 4.4-star rating from 711 reviews, it's a reliable choice for household cleaning. Number 3. Ocedar EasyWing Microfiber Spin Mop. The Ocedar EasyWing Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System offers an innovative solution for efficient and effortless cleaning. This red and gray mop system includes a built-in wringer for hands-free wringing and a splash guard to keep water contained. The machine-washable microfiber mop head captures dirt and grime with just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Its patented triangle head and 360-degree rotation allow it to reach corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. The telescopic handle extends to 48 inches, ensuring comfortable use for everyone. Each mop head refill lasts up to 3 months, offering long-lasting value. Lightweight and easy to use, the Ocedar EasyWing system is perfect for all hard flooring types and removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 181,000 reviews, it's a top choice for household cleaning. Number 4. Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Mopplex Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set offers an efficient and convenient cleaning solution. This 360-degree spinning mop and bucket system comes with a durable 304 stainless steel and polypropylene construction, ensuring long-lasting use. The adjustable handle extends up to 61 inches, providing comfort and reducing back pain. Featuring a carry handle, a drainage plug, and a soap dispenser bottle, it's easy to use and mobile, catering to various user needs. The spin wringing performance requires just gentle downward pressure, and the built-in wringing basket with a splash guard keeps water contained. The microfiber mop head reaches tough corners without scratching surfaces, effectively cleaning laminate, hardwood, ceramic, tile, and glass. The set includes 2 thick machine-washable, reusable cotton microfiber mop heads, making it a sustainable and cost-effective choice. With components like a dewatering steel bucket, cloth tray, and rotating disc, the Mopplex Spin Mop and Bucket set is perfect for versatile and effective cleaning. Number 5. Mastertop Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Mastertop Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is a versatile and durable floor cleaning system designed for convenience and efficiency. This set includes a blue stainless steel, telescopic handle adjustable up to 47.24 inches, ensuring comfort and ease of use. The system features a spin mop with 4 super absorbent, washable, and reusable microfiber pads, perfect for cleaning hardwood, laminate, and tile floors. Its 360-degree rotating mop head reaches corners and under furniture effortlessly. The bucket comes with a wringer, hole plug for drainage, and a built-in soap dispenser, simplifying the cleaning process. The sturdy stainless steel construction guarantees longevity, and the self-wringing feature eliminates the need for a foot pedal, making drying the mop a breeze. The Mastertop set includes a 30-day return policy and a 1-year replacement warranty, backed by 24-hour customer service. with package dimensions of 18.5 x 10.75 x 9.25 inches, and a weight of 5.34 pounds. This set is a reliable cleaning companion. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more